Today, we're going to talk about boosting your confidence in trading options. Now, I know options trading can feel overwhelming at times. There's a lot of information out there, a lot of strategies. But with learning and practical application, a little bit of practice, you can actually build the confidence that you need to succeed. And the first key is embracing learning. The market's always changing. And when you stay up to date with market trends and the volatility and honing your skills, you're going to be better prepared to adapt to any situation. But here's the secret. Continuous learning is not just about numbers on the charts. It's all about understanding psychology and how it impacts your trading decisions. So you want to take the time to understand your reactions to market fluctuations and the role of emotions in your decision-making process. Let's talk about starting small in options trading. This is a really great approach, especially for beginners. When you invest minimal amounts of capital, you're not only reducing your risk, but you're also gaining a fundamental understanding of the basics. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You start with training wheels. It helps minimize the risk of falling and get a feel for how that bike works. At the same time, when you start small in options, you're reducing the chance of significant losses. Another advantage of starting small, you get to diversify a little bit. Just like you're not going to put all your money into one stock, diversifying your options investments, they can help protect you from losses. So I want you to keep in mind this, though. Don't forget, each option contract is based on 100 shares of stock. So even with a small investment, you get to still diversify your portfolio. You got to educate yourself about the basics of options. Understand what puts, calls, strike prices, expiration dates. What do they mean? This knowledge is the foundation. Use a trading simulator before you dive into the real market. It's going to allow you to practice without any actual risk. And start small, manageable investments. Don't rush into those big trades right away. You don't need to. And believe me, you're going to learn a lot more from your losses than your wins. So starting small is going to minimize the impact of those losses. Of course, you got to have a well thought out trading plan. You got to stick to it. And this plan is going to guide your decisions. It's going to help you limit your losses. Remember, strategic planning and effective risk management are your best friends when you're trading. Also, you got to remember portfolio management. It's like when you put together a sports team for a game. You want to diversify your skills, right? You want to diversify your players. In case of trading, it's your instruments. And this helps mitigate risk. Important, the power of practice. Consistent practice, a game changer when it comes to building your proficiency and your confidence in trading. It's about developing discipline, developing patience, and learning from your successes and your failures. It's like learning to play a musical instrument or mastering a sport. Options trading requires practice as well. You're not going to become a pro overnight. But with dedication, persistence, you're going to get better. You got to think of failure as not the end, right? Failure is a stepping stone to success. You got to boost your knowledge and your confidence, right? So how do you do that? You got webinars, you got workshops. You can go there. They can play a key role in helping you understand. So now you got to apply all this knowledge you got. How do we do it? Well, first, you got to identify and manage your emotions during trading. Do not let fear or greed cloud your judgment. You got to stay level-headed. You got to make smart decisions according to your trading plan. Second, you got to stay updated with the state of the market. Check the news, check trends that can impact your trades. Think about buying calls in a bear market, probably not the smartest move. Selling covered calls, maybe. So you have to know what's going on out there. Practice on virtual trading platforms. This is going to allow you to apply your knowledge without any risk. Treat it like a sandbox where you get to experiment, refine your trading skills. Even when you're doing well, still go in, take some trades, learn and adjust. And probably one of the most important ones is reflect on the trading decisions that you made. Win or loss, doesn't matter. Learn from any mistakes that you may have made. And it could be a technical mistake or a psychological mistake. Learn from that. You got to remember, it's going to be tough. But every successful trader out there was once a beginner just like you. And their journey to doing really well, that was paved with knowledge and experience. So keep analyzing out there. Keep managing your risk. Keep applying your knowledge. Never give up. That's the most important thing. And feel free to reach out to our support staff if you have any questions about options or the psychology behind what's going on and how we can help you.